Hello everyone. Now in this video we will discuss about linear programming problems. We will solve these linear programming problems directly from the solver. So we have this example. Solve the following linear programming problem. Uh, Not graphically. We will solve this directly from solver. So we have the objective function is maximize z is equal to 4x plus y, and the constants are x plus y is equal to or lesser than 50 and 3x plus y is equal to or lesser than 90, and the x and y both are non-zero, non-negative and is equal to 0 or greater than 0. So we will solve this particular problem with the help of directly from the solver. We will use two methods. Okay, so first I will make a matrix, or I will just transform this particular question in a simple form. So solution here I am writing the z function. Then what is we have two constants. So constant 1, constant 2, then value of x, y. These are the two variables which has been given, and our objective function is maximize. Now the value of in objective function for the x is 4, y is 1, for constant 1 as per the given equation. It is 3, 1. No, this is not for constant 1, this is for constant 2. Constant 1 is 1 and 1. It is lesser than and equal. Same here, lesser than equal. It is 50, it is 90. This form. Now we will use solver method. We will use first I will use first method, then second. We can say that we can solve this particular problem through the solver in two different ways. So our first way is first method or way is, okay, how many variables, decision variable we have here? X and y. These are our decision variables. Now our objective function is z, that we want maximize. Then we have constant 1 and 2. Now we will put the value of z function, constant 1, constant 2, manually as per the given values in this particular matrix. So first is equal to 4x. So we will we will select this 4, multiply with value of x, then plus, then value of this, multiply with value of y, enter. Now again we will repeat this same exercise. Value of 1 multiply with x plus value of this multiply with y, enter, is equal to value of x multiply value of x plus value of this multiply this by o. Now we can say that simply we can say that here we are using manually we are putting the values of x or y in the given equation for the constant 1, constant 2 and z. Now we will click on data tab. We will solve this particular problem. Click on data, go to the solver. Now this solver parameter will be appear. Now you will see here, you will see that already some data has been data has been filled up here. So we will reset all. Now we will set our objective. We will select that objective value of maximum which we want in that particular cell. This is B20. Now we will identify that what we want, maximize or minimize. So here we want to maximize. Now we will select variable cells. So these are the variable cells x and y. Now we will add our constraints. So first we will click on cell reference. So here we want the value of constant 1. Now we will see that the sign, it is equal to lesser than or is equal to greater than. So here both are is equal to lesser than, so it is okay. Now we will what is our value of constant, that is 50. Now we have another constant, so we will click on add. Same again, we will select this, sign is okay, 90. Now we have only two constants, so I will click on ok. Now I will make sure that this is should be checked, make unconstant variable non-negative. Now then I will select on simplex LP. Now I will click on solve. So I will get the value. Now we can say that in this particular example, the optimum solution value of Z maximum is 120, and the values of x and y, those are the decision variables. It is for x is 30 and y is 0. Now I will solve this particular problem with another way. So I can say that second method or second way. So I will put all these here. Now I will here use that one formula. I will not manually writing that in this particular first method. I will manually calculating the value of B12 with the help of this matrix or given x and y value. Here I am just in one click with the help of one formula. I will calculate these all. I will calculate for these all cells. So I will select all three, and I will use m multi formula is equal to m multi, and I will select this matrix because this is including only not only constant, this is including z also. So I will select this. In the last video in graphical method we were selecting only just both given constant, not taking the z, but here we are also including z. So I will also select this, then comma, then value of variables x and y, then bracket 1. Now I will not directly enter. I will not directly click the enter. I will select control plus shift plus enter. Now this will show value. So this is showing that y, because there is nothing has been given in this particular x and y value. So don't worry. Now I am saying that we will select z cell and all other constant cells and use this formula is equal to m multi value of the matrix of given z and constants, then a comma and the value of x and y, and then control plus shift plus enter. Okay, now I will click on data, go to solver, I will reset all. Okay, now I will set objective. Here I want to my maximum value. I will see that we want maximum or minimize. Yes, maximum. Now I will click on my changing variables. Now I will add, see that constant cell sign is okay. What is the constant value? This. Add, select, sign is okay. I will click on here, only two constant, then I will click on OK. And I make sure this and I will solve and OK. Now you will be find that x and y value is 30 and 0, and the maximum z value for this particular case is 120. So we can say that these are not method, these are the ways, two different ways we can solve this particular case directly. Here we are not using graphical method, we are just calculating x and y value, a decision variables value, and minimum or maximum z value. Yeah, that is called as a optimum solution. So thank you.